In this video, we're going to show you how to complete an oil change on your Chevy Sonic. Remove the oil fill cap, pull the dipstick out of place. Using a 24mm socket, we're going to crack open the oil filter cap to allow it to drain back into the engine. Using a 15mm, remove the oil drain plug. Before removing the oil drain plug, be sure you have a collection bucket under you. Let the oil drain. Once the oil is done draining, reinstall the drain plug. Torque the drain plug to 14 Newton meters. Using a 24mm socket, remove the oil filter cap. Fully unscrew it. I recommend using a rag, reaching down, putting the rag under the cup, and pulling straight up. Remove the old oil filter. Remove the old oil filter, pull it straight up, it'll click out of place. Using a pick or flat blade screwdriver, remove the old O-ring. Install the new filter, push it down, it'll click into place. Install the new O-ring. Get it fully seated. Install the assembly. Install the oil filter. Get it started by hand. Get it snug. Torque the oil filter cap to 25 Newton meters. Push the dipstick down into place. Fill the engine with oil to the manufacturer's specification using the specified oil. Install the oil cap. It'll click into place. Start the vehicle. Let it run for 1 to 3 minutes. Shut it off. Let it sit for about 5 minutes or until all the oil drains back into the pan. Remove the dipstick. Wipe it off the first time. Reinstall. Pull it back out. We want our oil to be in between these two marks. This is high, this is low. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.